Happy Friday, everyone. The folks over at SmartDevil had some screen protectors that they wanted me to test out. So when I told them I had a Galaxy S23 that could use one, they were nice enough to send over a pack to me. So here today, I can walk you through how easy it is to install one of their screen protectors with its dust-free box series. Your screen protectors will come in a box like this, and when we open it, we get a screen protector within the installation panel here. We get 3 different film installation toolkits here, and then we get an envelope bag with accessories, and the envelope bag has some warranty information and 2 extra screen protectors. The film installation toolkit includes a cleaning wipe, some dry wipes, and a dust sticker in each one. And the installation panel itself is there to help you line everything up. The first thing we're going to do is take the phone out of the case, open up the 01 cleaning wipe, and then give the screen a good wipe down. This will help remove any oils, any fingerprints, and any other residue that is left on the screen itself. With that done, we take 02, the dry cleaning pad, and then dry off the cleaning solution that was on that wipe. Then we're going to take 03, which is our dusting sticker, take it off of the pad, fold it like this, and give it a tap up and down the screen. This is going to help to remove any fibers, any dust, or anything else that is left on the screen itself. With all of that done, we're going to place the installation panel over the top of the phone. And you can see the instructions here. Cover your phone, brace it, and then pull this strip down. Now, we wait 10 seconds for the screen protector to adhere. And that should give us a dust-free and bubble-free screen protector. Now we can take this off, and we remove the top film. You can see that installation panel helped adhere the screen protector to the device in perfect position, and upon inspection I have been unable to find any dust or any bubbles. And you can see the fingerprint scanner works just as you would expect. With little prep work, we've been able to install this screen protector on my Galaxy S23 flawlessly. The company claims this protector is rated at a 9H on the hardness scale. The glass is 0.25 millimeters thick, and it should give you over 90% transmittance. Even with the screen protector on there, it's quite difficult to even feel that it's there. These packs are priced at $10 for the Galaxy S23 series, and as you saw, you get 3 of them. But I have seen some of these from SmartDevil priced as much as $23, while others are as low as $7. I think it just depends on how old your phone is. But I'll be sure to have this pack linked down in the video description below, as well as the top pinned comment, so that it's easy for everyone to find. Let me know if you've used a SmartDevil screen protector in the past, and share your experience with it down in the comment section below. And please, do not forget to like this video while also subscribing to the channel for more Android content like this.